Hi everyone, today we'll learn how to zoom in on a video on DaVinci. So first we have loaded the clips and we have added to the timeline. So you have to select the clip that you want to zoom in and then click inspector, which we already did. That's why you're seeing this. Once you're here, what you have to do is click this, like move this and it will start to zoom. And if you want to position, you can just do it this way, and if you want to go up and down, like this way, minus means it goes up. And if you're not happy, you can just click here and try to do it again. So let's say like we want to move to the bike. See, it's zoomed on around here. Let's play the clip and you'll see like it's zoomed. See, let's check the original one to see how it was before. See, it was so far. So this is how you zoom in on DaVinci. If you have any questions, leave them below. I'll try to answer it. Thanks a lot.